This is Rockpal's 250-watt portable generator, a perfect emergency backup for your home, travel, and camping. Lightweight and compact size makes it an easy-to-carry device anywhere, best suited for outdoor trips and hangouts. The Rockpal's portable generator has upgraded 250-watt 2 AC outputs that can charge your laptop 3 to 5 times on the go. No need to worry about your mobile getting discharged during your pleasure trips. Provided with 2 USB output slots, this generator can charge your mobile phone up to 25 times. It takes care of your devices while you enjoy your favorite time. Love photography? Well, this power-packed generator has 4 DC outputs that can charge your camera batteries and drone batteries during your outdoor shoot sessions. Rockpal's portable generator can be easily charged through wall outlet, car, or by solar panels. Charge anywhere, anytime, as per your schedule. Adding more to the excitement, this generator can charge your skateboard too. No need to worry if your board lowers its battery where power is not available. Rockpals will surely come to your rescue. Rockpals, safe power you can trust for life.
Hi, my name is Maureen and I'm going to introduce you to an all-new fantastic product that you'll want to have in your life. Upgrade your culinary experience today with our Ultrean air fryer. Ultrean air fryer should be your #1 choice if you want to cook food with no or less oil. With its advanced heat coil and rapid air technology, producing hot, crunchy, tasty food with less grease is now possible. No need to deep fry your French fries, chicken, and other meat or snacks using unhealthy oil. No need to bear with hot oil splattering all over you, unlike traditional cooking. You can now roast, bake, and fry foods with a few clicks and turns. Set the unit for cooking, turn the food over, and once done, then your food is ready to serve. Ultrean air fryer comes with a digital LED display and user-friendly buttons. All you have to do is put the food in the basket, set the time and temperature, press the on start button, and start cooking. The unit automatically stops once the cooking time has elapsed. Isn't that great? It comes with a detachable and easy to clean basket and oil filter plate. Our 4.2 quart air fryer comes in different attractive colors: white, green, red, and the classic black. With its contemporary and sleek design, it's perfect to be given as a gift. Ultrean air fryers bring you a brand new kitchen experience and a whole new lifestyle.